Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make thosai right at home. I'm using split black gram, commonly known as Ulundu or Urad dal. Soak these split black grams overnight, then blend it into a fine mixture after adding some water. Then you can let it ferment for a few hours, and after seasoning it, it's ready to make some good old thosai. I'll be adding some sliced onion, chopped garlic, chopped curry leaves, mustard seeds and dried chili flakes tempered in coconut oil into the thosai mixture so that it will enhance the flavor of the thosai. Instead of dried chili flakes, you can use already cut up dried whole red chilies which were previously soaked in vinegar, salt, sugar, brine water. This will enhance the flavor much more. After all of these ingredients are well tempered and the onions and the garlic are light brown and golden in color, you can remove it from the heat and add it to the pre-blended thosai mixture. Add the tempered ingredients with the remaining oil into the pre-blended split black gram mixture and mix it well, and now you are good to go with some good old delicious thosai. After tasting the seasoning for a second time, you can start making your own thosai. Just take a ladle full of the mixture and pour it into a hot pan sizzling with some oil, and just swirl the ladle so that it will shape out the thosai. Turn it upside down after some time. When the mixture is well fermented, these bubbles pop up in the thosai, as you can see in this video. It's a sign that the natural yeast has fermented and the mixture is in good condition to cook up. I hope you guys will try out this recipe at home. Please do comment anything below. Like this video if you learned something from it. Share and subscribe for more exciting content. Goodbye.